Hi, welcome to Flynn Built Avalon floor plan. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom, 1,700 square foot home. Flynn Built is a great local builder, builds a really nice home with quality products. Let's go check this one out. So coming into the home, there is the garage to one side. There's a small coat closet on the other side. And then this is a super modern open floor plan. So vaulted ceilings, nice and bright, lots of recessed lights here. Look how bright this is. And then nice big open spacious kitchen, granite counters. Builder includes the stove, microwave, and built-in dishwasher. Huge wide island. Look how big this is. Really, really nice. And then pantry in the corner, walk-in pantry. Laundry room is right off the living room here. And then there's another door to the garage from the laundry room. So there was the door from the front and then the door here. And master is off the back of the house. Really, really spacious master. Tall tray ceiling. Look at this walk-in closet. I mean, this is impressively huge. I'm in a 3,000 square foot home and we have 2 walk-in closets and mine are nowhere near that big. So in the master bathroom, the double vanity. Toilet is just around the corner there. Nice big spacious shower and a garden tub. And the other 2 bedrooms are closer to the front of the house. So kind of off the kitchen. Here's one of the bedrooms, overlooks the front yard. Shared bathroom. And the 3rd bedroom. And right by the 3rd bedroom is a linen closet. So really, really beautiful open floor plan. Feels bigger than it is. It's only 1,700 square feet, but I think because of the vaulted ceiling and the openness, it feels a lot bigger. And then there's a nice covered back porch off the back. Keep in mind, lot sizes will vary depending on location. This one is 1/3 of an acre. And here's a back view of the house.